Hi, today's video regarding HP Officejet 3835 printer. So I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset so that you can restore the settings to the factory default. And for that, first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button on, and now we go on the display screen. Now go to the tools option and scroll down the page. At the bottom you will see restore factory defaults. So just click on that. Now it says like web service account information will be removed, so you just have to accept it and just say yes, because you are doing a factory reset. So press it yes. Now it takes some time because it's restoring the factory defaults, and it maybe the printer will restart a few times automatically. Now you can see it's almost about to restore and it's updating itself. So you just keep patience and keep watching the screen until you get further instructions to do on that. Now we can see the main display panel. So just press continue. Now it asks like if you want to update your printer, so that just depends on you. So you can choose install automatically or whenever you want, and just select the use, like you're going to use it for home or business. If it's personal use, you can click on that and just confirm all the save settings. That's the easy way to reset this printer. Thanks for watching.